Welcome to the best picks. The best gas tank cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked maintenance items for your car, but it's crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Over time, deposits and contaminants build up in your fuel system, leading to decreased performance and potential damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gas tank cleaners, exploring the best options to keep your engine clean and efficient. Number 5. HEET Iso-HEET Fuel Line Antifreeze Plus Injector Cleaner. This is the #1 selling brand of premium gas line antifreeze. It helps improve engine performance year-round. You can rely on it to keep your engine running smoothly. This product absorbs 5 times more water than regular gas dryers. It effectively removes water from your fuel system. This helps prevent rust and corrosion. By removing water and preventing corrosion, it helps to improve your gas mileage. It ensures that your engine runs efficiently. This product is a great choice for maintaining your vehicle's performance. The product prevents rust and corrosion in your fuel system. This extends the life of your engine components. It's a simple way to protect your investment. Use it year-round to maintain optimal engine performance. It works in all seasons to keep your fuel system clean and efficient. This ensures your vehicle is ready for any weather. What we like. This product is the #1 selling brand for a reason. It's designed to protect your fuel system from the damaging effects of water and corrosion. If you live in an area with high humidity or experience seasonal temperature changes, you should consider this to keep your engine running smoothly year-round. What people say. I added it to my gas tank as directed, and I immediately noticed a smoother engine performance. My engine starts up more easily, even in cold weather, and it runs much more efficiently overall. I especially love how it helps to remove water from the fuel line, preventing any potential issues with fuel system freezing or corrosion. Number 4. STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner. This product is designed to deeply clean your entire fuel system. It helps to ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It also works to reduce friction within the engine. This can lead to improved performance and a longer engine life. By cleaning the fuel system, it helps to save gas. Furthermore, it contributes to lower emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The formula helps prevent the buildup of ethanol deposits. It also works to inhibit corrosion, protecting your engine components. This product is compatible with modern gasoline engines. It works well with turbo, direct inject, and hybrid vehicles. It is designed to work seamlessly with capless gas systems. You can use it without any worries about compatibility. What we like. This cleaner goes beyond just cleaning, it actively works to restore your engine's peak performance. It reduces friction and prevents harmful deposits. If you are looking for improved fuel efficiency and a smoother running engine, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Does a great job on road trips, boosting miles per gallon and keeping the engine running smooth. Went from about 16 miles per gallon back to normal 19 to 20 highway. The engine runs great and the MPG is returned to normal after about 300 miles. Number 3. BRITE Tron Fuel Tank Cleaner. Is your fuel tank filled with harmful sludge and gum? This product safely eliminates these damaging buildups. It ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Does your fuel seem stale? This cleaner revitalizes aged gasoline and diesel. It unclogs fuel lines, leading to better engine performance. Worried about harsh chemicals? This formula is free from strippers, alcohol, and detergents. It protects all engine types, ensuring longevity. Looking for a cost-effective solution? This product offers economical tank maintenance. It's a great alternative to expensive professional fuel polishing services. Need a powerful cleaner? Just 1 ounce treats 4 gallons. A 128-ounce bottle can service a 512-gallon tank, offering great value. Want a product that works for multiple vehicles? It is suitable for both gasoline and diesel engines. It improves performance across a variety of vehicles. Quality you can trust. Since 1973, BRITE products have been crafted with pride in the United States. It ensures quality and reliability. What we like. This product is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning and revitalizing your fuel system. It dissolves sludge and gum, and it rejuvenates old fuel. If you have an older vehicle or one that has been sitting for a while, this is the perfect choice to get it running like new again. What people say. I used it to clean out an old gas tank. I could feel there was something in the gas tank but was not moving much, so I added this tank cleaner. After letting it sit overnight, the stuff inside was sloshing around when I shook the tank. I was then able to remove a lot of sludge that was in the gas tank. This stuff worked. Had some sludge clogging up the tank in my Generac generator. We let it leak out as much as possible since it kept getting clogged. Then filled up the tank with some new fuel and some of the tank cleaner and left it there for a week or so. It seems to have liquefied the sludge as it leaked out easily this time. We reconnected the tank to the generator and added more gas and some tank cleaner again, and it finally started up. I followed the directions above and that tank is as clean as the day that boat was made. This stuff works. For light varnish or tank contamination, just use the BRITE tank cleaner by itself in the recommended mix. I now put the recommended mix in every time I fill up. It doesn't hurt and I believe it keeps my tank perfect. Number 2. Quart 15 Motorcycle Fuel Tank Repair Kit. Are you tired of dealing with rust and leaks in your motorcycle fuel tank? This kit is designed to stop and prevent rust and corrosion. It also seals pinhole leaks, ensuring your tank remains in top condition. This all-in-one kit offers superior strength and fuel resistance. It is impervious to all additives and fuels, including those with higher alcohol content. This ensures the longevity and reliability of your fuel tank. The Quart 15 kit includes everything you need for a complete repair. It comes with a cleaner degreaser, metal prep, and fuel tank sealer. Detailed instructions are provided to guide you through each step. Understanding each product in the kit is important for the best results. Proper chemical interaction is essential for the sealer to bond effectively. Remember to remove any plastic components inside the tank before applying the sealer. This kit is perfect for motorcycles and other small fuel tanks. It's also suitable for recreational vehicles, snowmobiles, and generators. It's a versatile solution for your fuel tank restoration needs. Quart 15 is committed to providing the ultimate in rust prevention. Trusted by DIY enthusiasts and professionals, we stand behind our products. If you're not satisfied, we'll do everything we can to make it right. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for fuel tank repair. It stops rust, corrosion, and seals pinhole leaks. If you have a motorcycle or a small fuel tank that needs some serious TLC, this is the kit you need to get the job done right. What people say. Did an amazing job restoring my Star gas tank. After removing the crude and using the Quart 15 treatment regime, the inside of the tank now looks great. It's a meticulous process, but it provides great results if you follow the steps correctly. Number 1. Quart 15 49239 Fuel Tank Repair Kit, 1 quart. This kit includes a powerful tank sealer. It creates a permanent seal, ensuring your tank is protected from future leaks. The kit comes with detailed instructions. They guide you through each step of the tank restoration process, making it easy to use. The metal-ready solution removes rust. It prepares the tank surface, ensuring the sealer adheres properly. Marine Clean removes contaminants. It effectively eliminates gum, sludge, and varnish, preparing the tank for restoration. With this kit, you can restore your fuel tank. It's a comprehensive solution for automotive fuel tank repair. What we like. This repair kit is designed to provide a permanent solution for fuel tank issues. It removes rust and prepares the tank for sealing. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for your automotive fuel tank, then you should consider it. What people say. Restored fuel flow and improved engine performance. Cleaned the fuel tank and fuel lines effectively. Easy to use and provided noticeable results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.